Got invited here today, fish with the Choctawhatchee King right here, Aaron Richardson.
Unfortunately, we're on Apalachicola.
Yeah, we're on Apalachicola here, but we're gonna try to catch some fish here, so stay tuned. Here we go. Yeah, it's just amazing. These things are they just school up and they're running around schools. Exactly. It wasn't a mullet. Oh, I got, oh, there he is. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I wasn't gonna say a bass jump, but it kind of did look like one.
Those red poles that come out like where I told you, yeah, you'll be on the far side of that point that way. You can stay off the bank on the other side of those trees about 100 yards.
Right there. Okay. All right. Remember, you're just one cast away.
Got him?
There we go.
Better fish.
Yeah, better fish here. Look at that, guys, right there. Oh yeah, that's a lot better fish here. All right.
Yeah, you catch you 5 of those, man. Be up there in the money.
All right, looks pretty good here, guys. Early spring. Right there. All right, guys, remember, you're just one cast away. Total Aaron Martins, because I like I say, I know Aaron, I know how he fishes. Total, and oh, I got him. I got him. There he is. There he is. Oh, what the heck happened here? Look at that. Whoop. Yo-yo. Whoop. Yo-yo. All right, something happened with the rod here. All right, guys, I'm going to take care of this, get them off. Remember, you're just one cast away. There you go, future 10-pounder. That's what they look like. Always just one cast away. We'll tell you, should have moved here 25 years ago.
I mean, they're not big, but the decent keepers are around this street.
Yeah. There we go. We got another fish on. The Fish Master.
There's a light. There, grass those keepers there, man. You can get 5 fish out of here for sure. Put your mag speed by. What?
You're just what? One cast away.
One cast away.
There he is. The master himself.
Oh, shit.
That shit there, that's a big one.
Stay down there and I'll let you
My Lord. Oh my Lord. Look at this fish. Look at this fish. That's a monster. We got a monster here. All right. Look at that sucker. There's some monster. That's a monster. All right, we're gonna let him go here real quick. Remember, just one cast away. You what?
I think the sun is a factor on this shit, man.
There he is.
Get him. Oh, dink nasty.
Dink nasty. There we go, man. All right, woo, little attitude problem.
One more cast and he can catch one like me.
Okay, remember, you're just one cast away. Look at that. They get the future 10 pounder, baby, future 10 pounder. All right, here we go. There he is. He's skiing, baby, he's skiing. That's what we're talking about. Another big little one, man. They're liking this thing now. You little fart. I want you to go get your mama. And then when she's done, get your grandma.
Yeah.
Done within like 90 days.
Well, you know the name of the new company?
Oh, shit. That's a fucking monster.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of the better fish.
Oh, I got a nice one here. Yeah. There we go. Nice one to end the day. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Boy.
Look at him, man. Oh. There we go, baby. There we go. Oh. Nice fish to end the day.
Aaron's God service.
There we go. All right, guys. We were throwing pretty much June bug the whole day. June bug, black and blue. Look at that nice bass. All right, guys, we've got storm coming in. Fish are moving up to bite. All right, remember, you guys, they're just one cast away.